made this banana ice cream for the first time in 5 years, and I must tell you, this is the best banana ice cream you can ever make at home for yourself and for the kids. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. Now, let's dive into this recipe. So you see, making this homemade banana ice cream is just so easy using fully raw bananas. And also you can use mashed bananas or frozen bananas to make this ice cream. Just so perfect. You can make this ice cream in a food processor or in a blender as I did. And the best part of it is you can use your hand to mash the bananas and just add the other ingredients to it. Use a spatula or a mixer to mix it gently, and then your banana ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. At this point, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos whenever I upload. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think yummy cash. Cheers.